Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted. Actually, that's a complete lie. It's been a long time since I posted. I didn't really have any intention to film today, but I kind of woke up and had my hair deep conditioned from last night, and I thought, you know what? Maybe I should straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in a long time, and so I was like, okay, let me give it a try and see how it comes out. My hair really needs a cut, but I haven't made it to the salon. That's another story. But anyway, I have freshly washed hair. I am going to blow dry it with my Revlon brush. I do have a video where I blow dried my hair with that to show you what it looks like. I'll leave a link here or in the description box so you can check out that video. But today I'm doing this Tymo hair straightener. I've had this for over a year and I didn't try it. So I thought maybe it's time to take this bad boy out and give it a try with my hair. In any case, let's get into this video. Hey guys, I look a mess, but I mean, I looked on YouTube and I saw all these girls like blow drying their hair, full face, full makeup, and I'm like, okay, that's freaking not realistic. You know how hot you get when you're blow drying your hair? In any case, that ain't gonna be me. This is what you're gonna see, and then maybe I'll put some makeup on or whatever after. But in any case, this is it. This is how I blow dry my hair. If it was a regular day, this is what would happen, and I would do my makeup after. I also like to wrap my hair to allow the ends to stay down, especially right now. Like, look how terrible they are. I have the scissors ready to go, and I am not afraid to use it. So I'm gonna cut all that nasty dead ends off because I've been needing to go to the salon and I haven't gone in a while. So let me stop talking and open this package. Okay, so let's see what's in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let's see what's inside. So the first thing I see is some kind of brush. Yeah. Ooh, it's so cute. I like it's like that rose gold pink. What else is in here? Oh, some clips. So you get 2 clips. I'm gonna stick one here and stick the other one here because we're gonna need that. And then we have the straightener. Let me just open it. Is lined in a pink, kind of rosy fuchsia color. And then the other thing that I see inside is a glove. I've opened this section of my hair. I'm gonna put it in a smaller section and we're gonna give it a try. Okay. Okay, so I think that may be enough. If I needed to make it smaller, I'll make it smaller. And then this is the brush they gave. Let's get nice and close. Whoops. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, here we go. So that is the first section. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with it. I'm passing through too much. I think it said only like, ooh, look at that. Anyway, I'm gonna go through the rest and then I'll show you the section in a second. So I'm gonna pull out the other section. I'm gonna fast forward this video and I'll be back when I complete the other section. So I'm gonna speed up the video and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. I am completely impressed with this thing. I love it. I love how close you get to my roots. So I wasn't as patient with the front as I was with the back. And so if you see in the video, I kind of went over the front a little bit. The reason for that is when I was doing the front, I kind of had the sections too large and I wasn't going through it slowly enough. So it wasn't smoothing my hair out. I was still feeling quite a bit of texture. But when I got to the back, I made it smaller. I was going through a lot slower and it was getting a lot more straighter. I am hot as hell, just so you know, because it's literally so hot. But anyway, this is what it looks like right now. And I'm sure by the time I put some like oil in there and wrap it, it's going to be gorgeous. I do have to cut my ends, which I will do after everything is straightened, but I love it. I'll see you guys back in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. So I kind of just quickly did my makeup just to show you what it would look like. This is the hair. I did trim the ends a little bit, not that much because I'm no professional, but I took a little bit off because it was looking really like sketchy. And I put a little bit of oil on it. I am really happy with the results. I would say what I would have done differently, I would have done smaller sections, but I was afraid of heat damage. So that was the reason. Got a trim so your ends would be better because that's obviously my problem. But overall, I am really happy. I think it was a really great product. For me, I got mine on Amazon, which I forgot to mention before. I purchased it on Amazon.com, actually not .ca. And the reason for that was Amazon.ca was way more pricey than Amazon.com. Even with my shipping and my import fees, it still came out less than Amazon.ca. So I decided to do it. And both of them was through the Tymo website. Go figure, it's the conversion of the Canadian to US dollars or whatever the case may be, but that's how I got mine. The beauty of doing it through Amazon.com, you could choose to do your checkout in Canadian, so you'll know exactly what it's going to be that just charged on your credit card. And that's how I was able to compare that it was going to be a better deal doing .com, .ca. So that's something for you guys to check out. But in any case, this is what the hair looks like. I love it. I love that it's straight, but it still has volume. I think tonight when I wrap it and tomorrow when I pull it out, it's going to be even nicer. It will have had a chance for the ends to kind of lay down a little bit better. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. But before I do, this is how it is. And then again, if you wanted it more straight, I think it would happen if you did it in smaller sections, but I don't have any problem with my roots. I didn't want to go too crazy the first time, but I think I'll see how my curls bounce back and then I'll be able to tell, you know, if I can go smaller section because I'm really worried about my curls not bouncing back. Especially I'm already blonde right now with the ends, so the bleach ends are already going through hell with me. So I was a little bit more concerned, but I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the back. So in any case, I love it. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you've used it before. If it's something you would purchase on your own. Oh my God, I feel it myself. Can you tell? Like I keep touching my hair. This is what happens with a natural. You all of a sudden straighten her hair and she thinks she's Beyonce. Watch me. Anyway, whatever. Beyonce's my girl. Beyonce, beehive forever. So that's why when you straighten your hair, you feel like you're Beyonce. I need like some wind machine blowing right now to just bring it out completely. Okay, so that was my Beyonce moment. This is what happens. The wind blower is still on, but anyway, I'm gonna shoot the rest of the video like this because she is feeling herself. So in any case, this is the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you return to my channel, I appreciate you. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.